Okay, tonight I'm going to show you how to make perfect basmati rice. So, got some here from Tesco's. So I'm going to fill this smallish pan. Just put that all in. So that's about a quarter to a third full. So I'm going to rinse that in cold water. I'll just fill it up to quite close to the top and just swirl it round. Get rid of quite a lot of the starch. Just keep doing that until the water goes all milky. Right, this is the final time. We need about the same level of water as rice above the rice, so basically twice as much water. And I'm going to leave that there for about 45 minutes. Okay. You don't have to do this, but it makes the rice a lot fluffier and doesn't stick together quite as much. So we'll come back to that in 45 minutes. Okay, so that's been sitting there for about 45-50 minutes now, so I'm just turning it on full. Okay, when it comes to boil, I'm going to turn it down to minimum and I'm going to set the timer for 5 minutes. If we hadn't soaked it, it would take about 10, but it takes a bit less because it's been sitting there with the water in. Right, Woody, do you want a snack? Woody? Come here. Come here, Woody. Sit. Good boy. There we go. Okay, so the rice is just starting to come to the boil there. Can you see in there? So we'll turn that down to 1. It's minimum. We'll set the timer for 5 minutes. See what it's like after that. Should be pretty much done. Okay, the timer's gone off. So I'll have a look at it. This needs to have absorbed all the liquid, which it has. So see how beautiful and fluffy it is. So if you want to, just add a touch of salt. Just stir that in. Just put that in a plate so you can see what it looks like on the plate. Perfect basmati rice. No messing about. Right, we'll see what Woody thinks of the rice with ham and biscuits. Is that nice, Woody? I think he likes it.
That's a yes from Woody.